Is your iPhone lowering the ringer volume when a call comes in? This may be due to attention-aware features that reduce the volume if you look at the screen. I'm gonna show you how to fix this. Watch the video to the end and you will learn a useful tip. And we can easily do it by going in Settings first, then scroll a bit down to find Face ID and Passcode tab. After clicking it, you will need to enter your current passcode, and then you should see the setting for Face ID and passcode. So, I want you to scroll a bit down to find attention-aware features. So, you need to toggle off the switch like that to disable this feature, and this will prevent the ringtone volume from automatically decreasing. But please note that once you disable attention-aware feature, device will no longer take your gaze into account to control volume and screen dimming. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.